Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook. So just before we begin, quick two announcements. First of all, we have launched our own free Discord server for anybody who trades FX. So if you want to join that, you can find the link in the bio down below. And second of all, I've been getting a lot of inquiries about how to use Fibonacci levels, Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci extensions. So I'm going to be releasing a mini lesson on that on Saturday. So make sure that if you want to learn more about Fibs, to check out the channel on Saturday, as I will be releasing a video on that. So yeah, that's all for today guys, and without further ado, let's dive straight in. So to begin with, the DXY, what can we currently see? Well, yesterday we had an amazing financial statement, which has caused the DXY to just absolutely skyrocket back up in towards the highs. So yeah, yesterday I did mention that we could potentially see more downside from that 90.7 region. Well, as you guys can see, we did smash through it. So yeah, once that 90.7 region was broken, I did say that we could potentially hit that 91.27 level. So we currently reached that level, and we are now currently just consolidating within that area of supply. So what I want you guys to notice and to see about how the DXY has been moving is the fact that how we came into towards the highs, right? So what you'll see is that I marked out this blue line over here at 91.436. So this is exactly what I mean with that you can mark out swing highs and swing lows. So yeah, to see where potential fake outs will occur within the market. Especially if you see that there are equal highs over here, you'll notice that we have now swiped those stop losses, so we could potentially start seeing a pullback from here. However, the market at the moment is really just irrational. There's not a lot of contributed value in analyzing something that can move in any direction due to news. So what we have to do for today is just let the market cool down a bit and wait for some proper price action to form before diving into any potential positions. So currently at the moment I'm studying for my last university test, which I have tomorrow, and therefore I'm not actively trading this week, and therefore I didn't really experience this big impulse on the DXY as of yesterday. However, I'm happy I didn't, because at the moment all I'm going to be doing and all I'm going to be waiting for is just for the market to cool down. So I'll probably only be actively trading from Monday onwards once again. So yeah, for me the week is already over, and I'll just be waiting for some proper price action on the DXY and the other major dollar pairs. But regardless, let's head over to our next pair and see what's going on. So Aussie dollar and Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, you guys might see this adjusted chart, so you can adjust the zones to these levels. This is currently my chart on Aussie dollar, basically just purely based on supply and demand. So as you guys can see, we're currently situated within this area of demand within the market. So yeah, I am looking for a pullback, of course, higher on Aussie dollar, as we can't move towards the downside forever. At a certain point in time, you'll have to make a pullback. So this would be a nice location for a pullback, as we are currently situated within this enormous area of consolidation. So what you'll often see within the market is that areas of consolidation get mirrored by areas of consolidation. So look at, for instance, price over here and price over here. You'll see consolidation results in consolidation, and what you'll see over here is that a clean move results in clean moves. So therefore I do expect the market to consolidate from here onwards, maybe tap a little bit lower, but I don't expect any major moves from here onwards. So therefore sounds kind of boring, but we're just gonna have to wait for the market to cool down and for new price patterns to form on Aussie dollar. All you guys should know is that I am currently waiting to see Aussie dollar maybe pull back a little higher, or at least just form some sort of a reversal pattern, which will tell me we're going to go higher. Otherwise, I'll just stay out of the Aussie dollar pair and the other pairs, of course. So with Aussie dollar discussed, let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar is currently also situated in demand. So a lot of these pairs are situated in demand. What you'll see is that also it's no coincidence how they moved, right, those dollar pairs, because what you'll see as well over here, and I marked out the swing low once again, is the fact that we took out the lows. So all the stop losses got swiped, all the stop losses got hunted, and what you'll now see is that we're getting a fake out, or we saw a fake out on price down below over here. and we could potentially start moving back up from here. However, once again, market at the moment is just irrational. There's no added use in analyzing it, or you can say it's what you expect. There's not like any art to it. The only things or the only tools that I can use at the moment are my supply and demand zones, and therefore I am just going to be waiting for a reaction from either this area of demand or this area of demand over here at 1.19614. So yeah, from there I do expect a pullback back up. Yeah, back up. So from either on one of these zones. So yeah, that's euro dollar. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar is kind of in no man's land. Not really liking the price action at all. As we can see, we had this swing low over here. Didn't really react to it. We could still, however, but yeah, my two major zones are essentially this zone down below at 1.39036 and this zone at 1.41036. In between these levels, we're just gonna kind of move around, chop around is my suggestion or my expectation. So at the moment, I'm either just gonna be waiting for either a bullish pattern to form, which will tell me, okay, we're heading back to 1.41, or for a bearish pattern to form, which will tell me, okay, we're heading back to 1.39. So yeah, that's pound dollar. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar tapped in towards this demand zone. So I did mention this demand zone in yesterday's video, so I forgot to mention a lot of these demand zones on the dollar pairs, mainly due to the fact, of course, that I didn't expect such large movements to come within the market. But yeah, really nice to see that Kiwi dollar fell exactly in towards this demand area. So at the moment, yeah, you can see that we reacted to it, started pull back up in towards the highs. And yeah, Kiwi dollar, to be honest, just the same as on the other pairs. Let's just wait for a nice price pattern to form, which will tell us, okay, we're going back up, or for a nice price pattern, which will tell us, okay, we're heading back down. And yeah, let's finish off this analysis with gold. And gold at the moment is currently situated in demand as well. We saw this amazing thrust back in towards the lows. So we could now potentially see that scenario play out, which I called at the beginning of the week, which was a pullback into weekly demand before heading back up in towards the highs, right? So at the moment, the only problem is that the market is really messy. As you guys can see, not much going on. I also don't expect a lot to happen anymore. Yeah, I'll just be waiting for, once again, either a bearish pattern to form, which will tell us, okay, we're going down, or either a bullish pattern coming in towards the lows, which will tell us, okay, we're heading back up in towards the highs. So yeah, that's all, to be honest. A very boring outlook. My apologies for that. However, yeah, we just really can't do anything with the market at the moment. But yeah, all I can say is that this weekend I'm going to be releasing a nice new educational video on Fibonacci levels. So yeah, make sure to wait for that video, as there will be a lot of value bombs inside of it. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions whatsoever, yeah, just pop me a DM on Instagram or either on the free Discord. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to speak to you all soon.